Alright, so close this. Alright, so hello everyone. Today we're going to, I'm going to show you how we're going to convert a man page into let's say, PDF file, because a lot of people need to have PDF files of some things, are able to read them. But let's say you don't want the standard manual pages in Linux, like I don't know, let's try on man, for example. You don't want this. Let's say you do not want this. It's too much for you. You cannot read it easily and stuff. You're not comfortable with using this. Let's say a lot of people like these standard man pages, read them from the terminal because it's much easier to do so. I personally do that, but let's say I wanted to convert it into a PDF file. Now, one really handy thing, let me open up the man page again, that man has, is we can use the man with the parameter t, and what it does, it's going to take the man page that we want and turn it into a postscript. So, which is what it says here, the default output for graph, which is what it uses, is usually postscript. And we're going to use postscript to be able to convert it into a PDF, which is a command that's in Linux. It's called ps to PDF. This is this thing. It's also known as ghostscript. And this is what it does. It converts PostScript to PDF using ghostscript. Now, the cool thing for us is we can use all of these tools to fairly easily convert a manual page that you might need into a PDF. Let's say you wanted to send someone a manual page so they can read them, and they do not know how to use the terminal. So you use this and send them the PDF itself so that they can study it on their own. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the ls command. For some reason you don't know how to list files, let's say, and your friend wanted to know how to list them, let's say. So you type in man ls, and he's like, well, I don't want to read this, it's boring, I don't want to read this, it's not quite as readable as in a text file. Well, luckily for you, we can use the things that I've mentioned before, which was postscript or ghost scripting, and the manual pages themselves in order to convert them into PDFs. So let's say we want to convert the ls command into a PDF, let's say. So we're going to do that. So I have this folder right here, which is man to PDF.convert, which is where I've gone to. This is what it says, the name of the folder where I'm in. So I'm going to use the man ls. But in order to convert it, we need to do the -t, which is going to convert it into PostScript, which is what we're going to use to convert it. Now, if you want to take an output of a command and convert it into something, in this case we're going to have to run it through a pipeline. Now, what a pipeline does is it basically makes a string of commands, like a chain. It's going to daisy chain the commands together in order to make one super powerful command, and that's really useful if you know how to use it. So we're going to use the ps2 pdf, oops, ps2 pd, I'm done, ps2 pdf, and we're going to give it a dash. Now the dash here works as a variable for this command. Now what it's going to do is going to take the data from man-t-ls and store it in this dash. And then PostScript is going to convert all the data that's in here into a PDF file, which is what we're going to do next. We're going to type in ls.pdf because we want it nice and simple. You can also make a command to basically take every single command and convert it into each and separate PDF file, but it's nice to have them stored, and you can change this based on what you need. So if we run this, guess what happens? It's going to, as you can see in the background, it generated for us a PDF file, and if we open it, look at that. It's basically the same thing you would have normally, but you have it in a nice clean text that you can read on your own, and it's much simpler to do, and it's just one command, and it doesn't take that long. It just needs a bit of studying of the man pages to figure out what it can use to your advantage. Now let me show one more cool thing. Let's say I want to make a man page of, well, we did ls. I don't know, let's do sudo for example. If we run this, it's going to take obviously a while because it's a really huge command. Oh, it already did convert it. You can see it generated for us a PDF file of sudo, and if we open this up, we've got ourselves the sudo man page, which is about 8-9 pages long, so you can read it at your own pace. And it's nicely converted into a PDF file, and you don't have to worry about anything. That's really cool, because all of my friends don't like to use the man pages and they just want to read it simply. So if I convert it to a PDF file, I can open it on my phone, tablet, everything that I use. And there are ways that you can take the names of each man page and convert them. Like you would take the names of each, then run them through this command where this would be a variable, and the rest would be the same. Instead of here, you would add the variable from here, so they would will properly name the PDFs, and it's going to spit them all out. I haven't figured it out yet, but like it's really cool. I want to show like this real quick tip that you can do, that you can just convert everything that you made just for giggles. Let's say you wanted to convert apt, for example. So we run this, and it's going to make us the apt file, which is right here, apt.pdf, and it's going to convert us the apt man page into a PDF file, which is what we wanted, and that's actually pretty cool. You can use this command. I will link it in the description if you want, just for your copying and pasting pleasure. But it's a really cool thing, neat thing I figured out this morning that you could do. It's really cool, really useful, and I want to try and figure out how to take basically every single man page that is on Ubuntu and convert it into a PDF, so I don't have to, like, I will always use the terminal, but this tip is useful for those who just need quickly to convert a man page into a PDF, so that they can easily share it with a few people in the office or stuff. So yeah, so I figured it might be useful for you guys. So if you want a few more tips and tricks on how to do stuff, let me know. I would really like to know if this was helpful for you, and if you're going to use this tip, because I'm going to use it a lot, honestly. I mean, not a lot, because I like to use the man pages themselves, but this is really simple to do, and it's really cool, and I'm really happy that I figured out this way. So yeah, I hope this tip helped you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want. I'm not forcing you. You can do it at your own pace. It depends on you. So make sure to stay safe, have fun, and I'm ready to sign out.